This is Andy Chambers. Thank you for joining me for today's update. I want to begin with a shameless plug for my newsletter. So far this year, 3 out of 4 closed positions have been winners, and the winning trades are 4 times as big as the losers. The cost is only $99 a quarter. If you're interested, please call 888-233-1431. Now we'll take a look at some charts. The first chart is the Dow. Last month we mentioned that the June bullish reversal could mark the beginning of a relatively rare summer rally. Bullish trading in July supports that outlook. A Dow close over the May high of 13,339 would reaffirm the bull trend. The next upside target beyond that is the 2007 high near 14,200. A break of support at the June low of 12,035 would put the bullish outlook on hold. XLE, the S&P Select Energy Spider, posted a wide-range bullish reversal last October. At the time, it looked like it could mark the beginning of a significant rally. However, there was very little follow-through. The June low marks a higher low bottom relative to the October low. If the June low holds, we see the potential for an advance to 81 or higher. ExxonMobil, or XOM, is a member of the energy sector with an excellent chart pattern. XOM has a flat top at $88. A breakthrough flat resistance can result in a significant advance. The next upside targets are 100 and 110. A break of support at the June low near 77 would put the bullish outlook on hold. CVX, or Chevron, is another member of the energy sector with flat resistance that appears to have excellent upside potential. The upside targets for CVX are 125 and 135. A break of support at the June low near 95.75 would put the bullish outlook on hold. WMB, or the Williams Companies, had a pattern similar to XOM and CVX. WMB posted a close above the breakout point in April. Then it pulled back, and now it looks like it could be ready to rally again. The upside targets are $40 and $50. Initial support lies at the June low of 27.25. Key support lies at the October low just below 22. HNZ, or Heinz, is another stock with flat resistance that could be ready for an upside breakout. The upside targets for HNZ are $65 and $75. Key support is seen at $48. We've pointed these flat tops out before, and not much has happened. None of the stocks have broken key support, but they haven't gained much either. Please be aware that we're looking at monthly charts. Monthly patterns take time to develop. If you're buying options, we recommend buying as much time as you can. XLK broke out of a flat top, rallied to a new multi-year high, and then it pulled back to the breakout point. XLK is the S&P Select Technology Spider. Bullish trading in June and July suggests that the pullback could be over and the uptrend could be resuming. The next upside targets are 35 and 40. A break of support at the June low near 27 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Bullish trading in June and July suggests that a higher low bottom could be in place in XLI. XLI is the S&P Select Industrial Spider. The upside targets are 39, 42, and 45. A break of support at 33 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Recent trading suggests that Oracle could be ready to rally. The upside targets are 36 and 42. Key support is just below 25. Bullish trading in June suggests that a higher low bottom could be in place for Deere. The upside target is The upside target is $100. A break of support at the June low of 69.51 would void the higher low bottom setup. The monthly chart for Whirlpool has some very big swings. Bullish trading in June and July suggests that a second higher low bottom could be in place relative to the 2009 low and last year's low. Another big swing up could thrust Whirlpool back toward 110. A break below the June low of 54.08 would void the higher low bottom setup. MMM, or the 3M company, is another stock that looks like it could have a higher low bottom in place at the June low of 81.99. The next upside target is 105. Key support lies at last year's low of 68.63. Bullish trading in June suggests that Wells Fargo could finally be ready to break through resistance at 34.50 that it has touched 3 or 4 times. The next upside targets for Wells Fargo are 40 and 45. Initial support lies at the June low of 29.80, with key support at last year's low of 22.50. TWX, or Time Warner, is trying to push through flat resistance at 39. The next upside target is 50. Initial support is seen at 33.62, with key support at 27.62. HOT, the Starwood Hotels and Resorts, is another stock with a higher low bottom setup on the monthly chart. The upside target for HOT is 70, with initial support at 47.41 and key support at 35.78. The monthly chart for HAL, or Halliburton, has big swings like Whirlpool. If HAL can hold support at the June low of 26.28, it could ultimately rally toward last year's high of 57.77. Now we're going to take a look at some stocks that appear to be forming higher low bottoms on the weekly chart rather than the monthly chart, and they could have excellent upside potential with relatively low risk. The first stock is CAT, or Caterpillar. The upside target for Caterpillar is 115. A weekly close below 78.79 would put the bullish outlook on hold. The second stock is JPM, or JP Morgan Chase. The upside targets for JPM are 46 and 53. A weekly close below 33.10 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Next we have Cisco, CSCO. The upside targets for Cisco are 21 and 25. A weekly close below 14.96 would put the bullish outlook on hold. And the last stock for the day is IBM, International Business Machines. The upside targets for IBM are 210 and 225. A weekly close below 181.85 would put the bullish outlook on hold. As I said, that's the last chart for today. If you buy options on any of these stocks, please be sure to buy plenty of time. Thank you for your time and attention. Good luck and good trading.